Here's the truth that lies beneath the noise of those perfectionist thoughts. The ones that say nothing's quite good enough, nothing's quite ready, you're not even ready. Beneath all that striving, beneath that overthinking, beneath our busy minds is a beautiful stillness that is always available. Beneath the perfectionism is a presence that we can always connect to. It never gets taken away. Often we are caught up in our busy minds and we just don't see that. But I want you to know today that you are already whole. You don't need fixing. There is nothing missing. What I'm trying to say really is that you are already perfect. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to fix. There's no thinking to fix. There's no emotions to fix. You are already perfect beneath the noise of your busy mind, the mind that says you're not. And all that happens when you stop believing those thoughts is that you settle into that beautiful space, the truth of who you are.